How's it going, everybody? Derek here from Addictive Tips. In this video we are going over how to install Chrome on Ubuntu. So to start off, I'm going to open up the default browser in Chrome and we're going to go to google.com/Chrome. Now once we're on the website, you'll see the Chrome stuff, and you need to look for the blue download button. Click on it. Now from here you're going to get a pop-up window that says Get Chrome for Linux. You need to select the Ubuntu one, click Accept and Install. Now it's not actually going to install anything. What it's going to do is it's going to download a package to your computer. Now once this package is done downloading, we go over here into the file manager. We can see we have the I've downloaded Google Chrome quite a few times just for this kind of demonstration. But you right click on the Google Chrome thing, the Google Chrome dev package, click Other Application, and you need to look for Software Install. Now once you select Software Install, it's going to open up the GNOME Software app, which is just Ubuntu Software Center with a different name, but I'm used to calling it GNOME Software. But once it opens, and it should take a couple of seconds to open, so once the GNOME Software, aka Ubuntu Software Center, opens, you should see Google Chrome Stable, the web browser from Google, and then in description of the browser, and you'll see a blue install button. It could be a different color, but for me it's blue. Click the install button. It's going to ask for your password. Enter your password. It's going to set up and install the program, and the installation should be super quick. It won't take too long. Alright, once the package installation is done, you can just close that. You can close the file manager and the default web browser, and you can search for Chrome in your app menu, and you have Google Chrome installed on Ubuntu, and it's that easy. Now there are other ways you can install Chrome on your Ubuntu system. You can do it through the terminal, you can do it through different methods, but in this guide we're covering Ubuntu Software Center because most users of Ubuntu don't really care about the terminal, and it's helpful to go over a non-terminal method for this. But as we see, the latest Google Chrome is working, and that's all that matters. We've got it working. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on how to get Chrome working on Ubuntu. I will see you in the next video.